Shanti! Hurry up, I'm hungry!
Woo! I just got my payslip, Professor. It's my first salary at the new job.
Congratulations, Supandi.
What's this? They have cut a part of my salary for something called iTax. What is that?
Let me see. It's not I-tax, Supandi. It's income tax. Now that your salary is above 5 lakhs per annum, you have to pay a small percent of your income as tax to the government.
To the government? Why? What has the government done for me?
A lot of things, Supandi. They build roads, hospitals, and schools. They provide public transport, utilities like water, gas, and electricity. They maintain public infrastructure like parks, bridges, museums, and so on. They do a lot of things that help make your quality of life better, don't they?
Okay. Still, this is too big a cut. It leaves me with very little.
Well, the government has also introduced a number of schemes that give tax deductions as well. One such scheme is called ELSS, or Equity Linked Savings Scheme.
ELSS? What is that?
Simply put, it's a type of mutual fund that helps you save tax under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. As per the Act, you can invest up to Rs 1,50,000 annually and save tax on that amount every year.
Wow, that's a great plan.
Exactly. But there are more advantages to ELSS as well. You see, ELSS options comes with a minimum lock-in period of 3 years.
Okay, so?
This means your mutual fund manager can look at investing with a long-term perspective that will hopefully give you better returns on your investments. So you not only save tax, but you could also make more wealth in the long term. Basically, you kill two birds with one stone.
That sounds amazing, Professor. I am going to talk to Mr. Bijli about investing in an ELSS scheme tomorrow itself. However,
Yes, Supandi?
I don't want him to kill any birds though. Maybe we can save tax and save the birds as well?
Oh, Supandi. To know more about KYC documentation requirements and procedure for change of address, phone number, bank details, etc., please visit www.tatamutualfund.com/investor-education. Please deal only with registered mutual funds, details of which can be verified on the SEBI website under intermediaries/market infrastructure institutions. All complaints regarding Tata Mutual Fund may be directed to service@tataamc.com and or visit www.scores.gov.in, SEBI Scores portal. This material is part of Investor Education and Awareness Initiative of Tata Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.